In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Claude AI memory. By the end, you'll have memory enabled so Claude can carry helpful details from one conversation to the next and save you time repeating yourself. First, open your browser and go to Claude's chat interface. Make sure you're looking at the main conversation view where you normally start a new chat. That's all you need to begin. Next, head into Settings. To get there, look to the bottom left corner of the interface and click your profile icon. A small menu will appear. Choose Settings from that menu. This opens a panel where you can control how Claude behaves and what features are available in your account. Inside Settings, find and click the Capabilities section. This is where Claude's advanced features live. If you don't see it right away, check the tabs or items along the left side of the Settings panel. Capabilities is the place that governs things like how the model interacts with your content and what it can remember. Now, look for the memory option within Capabilities. You'll see a description that explains exactly what it does. It generates memory from your chat history and allows Claude to remember relevant context from your conversations. Importantly, this setting controls memory for both individual chats and your projects, so turning it on gives you continuity across the work you do in Claude. Go ahead and turn it on. You'll typically see a toggle switch. When it's enabled, it should visibly indicate that memory is active. There's no need to save anything manually. Your change takes effect immediately. From this point forward, Claude will start capturing helpful, relevant details as you work, such as your preferred writing style, recurring topics, or ongoing project context, so you don't have to restate the same information over and over. A few tips as you use it. Memory focuses on relevant context drawn from your chat history, not everything you type. It's designed to reduce repetition and make your workflow smoother. You stay in control. If later you want to change this behavior, you can come back to the same place in Settings and adjust the toggle. As with any AI tool, avoid sharing sensitive information you wouldn't want stored. Keeping your prompts high level and consistent will help Claude learn what's most useful to remember. That's all there is to it. Open Claude, go to Settings via the profile icon, select Capabilities, find Memory, and turn it on. With that enabled, your future chats and projects can pick up right where you left off.